Sorry.
Oh, Doc. Yes, and you walk, Doc. I want to know your thing. Who knows why she I've said to Yama, no, see the young cuckoo. So your stomach was out, said the young. Have been so as I become. And then crying, meaning said if you be forcing a I don't know.
Test results naturally say when you malaria when the moji.
TD.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Famano nano hobetono.
Malake, anything at Tumac. I'm on my free.
Tinatet Malake, Eyama Ubia wenya malaria fever, and a Tinatet Tomac mixture, Eyama Ubia wenya indigestion. Yen Shushomus wenya malaria and Sana Wafa Edri. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor. Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami can be being chill. Tinatet Venicano. So we use what? A CSC ho, Emma Hoye Kama, Emma Hoye Obey Moi.
Thank you. Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
This article everybody. So also for I don't hear me say someone Sandra. It's well. It is very well. It is very, very well. Being so no smame. We share the broadcast. A very good evening to you wherever you are. A very, very good evening to you wherever you are. I'm here with the TikTok. So Sandra. Share the broadcast. If you love my ministry, sons and daughters, share the broadcast. Share the broadcast. Yehovah. Okay, share the broadcast. King. Share the broadcast. 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 Sarah Bejamichi say. Chris Abel Behrman. Share the broadcast. Indeed, you are a strong man. Nothing breaks what is of God. Nothing breaks what is of God. My enemies and the enemies of the church, you always get it wrong. Yehovah, no, I just saw no young quant near hoarding. Share the broadcast, sons. Let's get to 200 and more. Share the broadcast, brother. Bear make a cry. Share the broadcast. Let's get to 200. That is Sandra, the so-called, quote and unquote, slave queen. She's not a slave queen. She's my niece. That is my niece. I never call. Thank you. That is my niece. Watching you from Afghanistan. God bless you. We love you, Daddy. Thank you. Let's get to 300 and let's share. So I'm in front of my church building and I'm here with my sister, my family members. Kelly, do your best. Don't give. Okay. Thank you. So listen. Very impressive. So that is my niece. Thank you. Abigail. You call Abionyamicha William. That is Sandra. You see Sandra. Don't worry. My many regards. Thank you. Okay, so let's get to 300. So people, we are in times whereby the church, Peter Noche, God bless you, share blogger, Peter Noche, share it, God bless you. If you're a man of God, woman of God, if you're a son and daughter, share it. Nothing breaks me. I'm Prophet Nigel Gaisie. I was made by grace. I was made by grace. My church was born out of grace. Nothing breaks me. So this is the lady in question. Sandra, tell me, oye balia.
Yeah.
Atokwa bokwa.
Yeah.
Odishua. So we'll be talking very soon. Nigel Gaisie, Jesus, I'm here. All right. So that is Sandra for you. Thank you for coming online. That is Sandra, the TikTok lady, the lady they said. That is my blood. Sandra is my blood. That is the backbone of Sandra. Sandra Chibenye. You understand? So listen, that is Christabel. Christabel, introduce yourself.
I'm Christabel Mante.
Oyo balia.
Yeah.
Etokwa bokwa. Wojitea. Mentenuji.
Medium.
Ojiemu. Sandra, also oyo balia.
Yeah.
Etokwa bokwa. Wojitea. O mentedeme.
Me offer.
O offer dem ya. Uni etrem yeme.
Lydia.
O senso etrem yeme.
Mark.
Uchueno.
Edukrum.
Ekuapim edukrum. So that is my blood. Listen to me. Haters get life. Get life. Haters get life. Listen, nothing will silence me in this country. Nothing will silence the church and the body of sister. That is Sandra's mother, who is my blood sister. Sister Lydia Mentano Beke.
Ghana for Mubri.
Ghana for Mubri. Okay.
Me. Da problem.
Okay, so so this is okay.
Oh, yes,
okay.
Say I'm crying. I am from Sugia. I'm from China. I am from so. My brother.
That is my sister. That is my blood sister. That is her Sandra. Her Sandra mama so. Sandra her Sandra mama so. Kasa.
Kasana dos.
Okay.
My brother.
That is my blood sister.
Yes, anyone for yes,
but that's a brother. My also there, but now I have my brothers here. Brother, coffee bread. Sugar coconut bread. Brother. That I become. Now for the Sandra Betran and Casa. Sandra, oh, Betran say. Brother Casa. Oh, Tanasi. Brother Tanasi. Oh, Tanawakumaso. Brother, then I Metano Beke. Oh, yeah, then I become brother.
Ghana for who are 35 years.
Okay, brother, bear me. Pacho bear me.
But then Yamia.
Okay.
No matter how I'm Bibiano, Yami Sumuya.
Brother, also then Abeka, this is my elder brother, our very eldest brother.
Yeah, Monsieur Prime Lawrence of Eei.
Okay, you feel him? Any channel?
Krapim Edukrum.
Any chair, Krapia Ducre.
Nitua Kwewi. Now, my person may catch her on mine say. Yeah, Monsoon Casa.
Okay.
And him Grassena Dawson.
Okay.
I dear one power name who ye. Now we do one dance at Shawunia.
Okay.
Minia Kumansone, Prophet Nigel Gaisie. Now, Bessie Dan on no to me, Enya and Kitahudi.
Yeah.
And he, Jenny was not Dawson. It's too much. Madam was a Ghana for.
The Misha brother. Yeah, Kasabe bro. Yeah, we are paying for. Tell me. Yeah, we are paying for your Kasabe bro. It's Sandra Nagasawa, I say. Sandra, then they see it.
Video need a man posting.
Okay.
Post on my phones because we know your videos.
No, relax and relax, cry. So say why superstar with it 12 hours? Why superstar? Help me too. Then it's here.
I'm going to my phone.
Okay. That's okay. The member be then that's okay. Omoji phone. Okay. Ebane send now me try sa picture no.
Now who did it me bound chair office.
Okay.
And I'm seeing a video when film now na me dey play on the ball. And I'm no hear video by phone.
Okay.
But man post it on my phone's best 1 year ni. Into me the ba outside. I go focus we hear me now. But we hear me offer. Nigel Gaisie and a sparkle.
Asemo. Enti then I be catch masorim, but then I be catch painful. Then I be.
So cause ndi me offer because asem no mo kan na intro enya no kre oya me offer. Dey bia me ba ne nchen and more nkofo en chamontro na mu betie tie omo. Oya Nigel Gaisie na me offer. Enti me pamocho.
Me Prophet Nigel Gaisie.
Prophet Nigel Gaisie. Enti me pamocho, dia mo kika na ye no kre. And I'm so mu say me dodo. De bia mu say me ofa. Pamocho munjai.
Okay.
Sremwa. Oya me ofa. And I'm yesterday queen. Sa time ni na me posti. Sa but see ade massacre. Enti me pamocho.
What for you to so cry again?
Me pamocho.
Okay.
Sremwa munjai se na mugu ye ni mas. Me sremu.
Okay. Enti me pesa o san make a say ni kenimbria. Sana asoko be work asia no ke obede kembo nimbria ta kembo ebe sane alaba video wo outside.
Okay. Me be work mo ojite ne me ye mo be bo video but be lefe mo mas.
Okay.
Ne me two pillar down. Ne me be bo video abo working.
Okay.
Mo be dey to kwa some be ke o de me mpina.
Okay.
Ne me offer.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. So those who understand our language, say it in English. How did that go out? And say it in English.
Okay, I came to visit my uncle. He was eating.
Okay.
I wanted to take a video with him, but he didn't allow. He was laughing, so I threw the pillow at him. Then I did a video first, and I didn't posted it. So I don't know how the video came out. So
I didn't post it with the blog at Befau. Blog at Wagba. I didn't post it.
I didn't post it. So please, I'm begging you. He's my uncle. No bad intention or something, please. He's my uncle.
So what are you telling the church, my fans, my sons and daughters everywhere?
Okay.
So who is this?
This is my mom.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
Your biological mom?
Yeah.
Efwa
Lydia.
Ekuya Lydia?
Yeah.
Ekuya Lydia. Okay.
That's my mom.
Chris Abel also bra. Chris Abel bra. Come back. I some more Ghana for. Sister. Ghana for. So Chris Abel, go down. So who? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. So watch me, Christabel. Who? So Sandra, who is Christabel to you?
My little sister.
Your
backbone.
Your backbone.
Yeah.
Christabel mentano beken. There be ofana west now for the main down. Then I'll beken. Okay, also for then I'll beken. Also for. Almost 1K. Me too.
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di nuya mabobosina, and when you are setting at 2:30 album, we are Bema now no more, and Mama who this room come out down us to me, Bajuma, and more energy, stamina, and vitality, and Fawunia Juma, and one is our Banumbi, but Bajuma Saum Reda, Tina Tat 2:30 Heba, a young conqueror, power to the people, Mitra 2:30. So our what feeling? Adam, never. Kinaata 230 Herbal.
Yeah! Kinaata 230 Herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra wo fa sa edrowe. Oba wa fa yefunu. Ne o ma ne ba no fo. Ene akola ondi emfie duwotwe.
Ema yesumo. Yesuma merade. Enumre yakin kansem no. Yebe ma sister Paulina ene de yafro.
Enumre yakin kansem no. Yebe fa free. Abus chapter.
Ebe! Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here chini na umu Hebrews.
Hey! Madam!
Ajenkwani. Kinaata Hayan Herbal Capsule. Edroyin tina berwate semi. Me ready a mention glasses. Obroni besi. See clear.
Eye no crow. Kinaata Hayan Herbal Capsules. A full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
Edroyi u pebi atwa. For Kinaata Herbal Shop. Hey, now what? Kinaata Hayan. See clear.
Kinaata Edroyi FDA ahwehwem agye atum se eje.